Welcome back, wealth seekers. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of mind preparation for money making. Whether you're a college student, a young professional, or even in your 40s, this video is your blueprint to unlocking the millionaire mindset in record time. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to reveal the secrets that can change your financial destiny. Hey there, you're watching Confident Attitude. We specialize in empowering individuals like you to achieve financial freedom through practical strategies and a winning mindset. Today, we'll show you how to reprogram your thoughts, cultivate powerful habits, and unleash your potential to attract wealth like never before. So let's jump right in. Before we get started, let's discuss the foundation of our journey, the millionaire mindset. It's all about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions to create a prosperous reality. Here are 3 key elements to focus on. 1. Embrace abundance thinking. First and foremost, start cultivating an abundance mindset. Shift your focus from scarcity to abundance. Believe that there's plenty of wealth to go around and that you deserve a slice of the pie. This positive mindset will open doors and opportunities you never thought possible. 2. Set clear goals. Define your financial goals with crystal clarity. How much do you want to earn, and by when? Break them down into actionable steps. Remember, a goal without a plan is merely a wish. So, set goals that motivate and push you to take massive action. 3. Surround yourself with success. They say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with ambitious individuals who inspire and challenge you. Attend networking events, join mastermind groups, and seek mentors who have already achieved the level of success you desire. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's dive into rewiring your mind for wealth creation. Here are 3 powerful techniques to adopt. 1. Visualization and affirmations. Visualize your success vividly and frequently. Imagine the life of a millionaire and feel the emotions associated with it. Pair this with daily affirmations that reinforce your beliefs, such as I am a money magnet or I attract wealth effortlessly. This practice will reprogram your subconscious mind and align it with your financial goals. 2. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Identify and conquer your limiting beliefs about money. These beliefs often stem from childhood or societal conditioning. Challenge them by gathering evidence of people who have achieved massive financial success despite similar circumstances. Replace limiting thoughts with empowering ones. 3. Continuous learning and personal growth. Invest in yourself by committing to lifelong learning. Read books, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts that expand your financial knowledge. Acquiring new skills and upgrading your mindset will not only enhance your money-making abilities but also boost your self-confidence. It's time to put theory into action. Here are 3 practical steps to start building wealth. 1. Multiple streams of income. Diversify your income sources by exploring side hustles, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting an online business. Creating multiple streams of income will increase your financial stability and accelerate your journey to millionaire status. 2. Financial discipline and budgeting. Adopt a disciplined approach to your finances. Create a budget, track your expenses, and prioritize saving and investing. Delay instant gratification and focus on long-term financial freedom. Remember, small sacrifices now can lead to substantial rewards later. 3. Perseverance and resilience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealthy empire. Be prepared for challenges and setbacks along the way. Stay persistent, maintain a positive mindset, and learn from your failures. Remember, each failure brings you one step closer to success. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the key strategies to prepare your mind for rapid wealth creation. Remember, becoming a millionaire requires determination, consistency, and a rock-solid mindset. So, start implementing these techniques today, and watch your financial destiny transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest wealth-boosting content. Also, share this video with your friends who are ready to take their financial future into their own hands. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and achieving bigger.